If you're seeing the minified error 185 while trying to use ChatGPT, don't panic. I've got the solution. First of all, this error usually happens because of a problem with your browser's cache, cookies, or extensions. So let's start by fixing that. Tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your browser, then go into Settings. After that, go into Privacy and Security followed by Delete Browsing Data. Here, make sure to select Browsing History, Cookies, and Cached Images and Files, then tap on Delete Data. After that, restart your browser and try using ChatGPT again. If the problem is still there, try disabling browser's extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, as they sometimes interfere. To check, go into your browser's extensions page and temporarily turn them off. You should also make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated browsers can trigger this error. If you're still stuck, switch to a different browser and see if the error goes away. And finally, if nothing works, log out of ChatGPT, restart your device, and log back in. And that's all. That's how you can fix the ChatGPT Minified React Error 185 quickly and get back to using it without interruptions. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.